Investors, welcome back to another episode of Tip Talks live from the TipRanks headquarters. I am very excited to be on this episode with you because we have quite an episode in store for you as we are entering now officially into 2024, and we're already trekking our way into the year here. Now, we finished 2023, as I'm sure you all know, just about 20% up when it comes to the S&P 500, and now we're almost about a percentage point up on the year. I think this big question remains for all of us investors is really what the Federal Reserve is going to do. Are they going to cut rates down sooner rather than later? Are these rates going to remain elevated for a prolonged period of time? I think that's really anybody's game of speculation, if you will. It's always contingent upon the data. However, just around the world, talking on a geopolitical sense, talking on the presidential campaign run, what we have is a very interesting year, I think, ahead of us, and two opportunities now when it comes to stocks that I actually want to dive right into. Take you all to TipRanks. And I want to go to one of my favorite tools here because this tool is actually the tool that led me right to these very stock opportunities. Now, if you head over to TipRanks and you jump over to the tools drop down here, you go to our stock screener, and we have a very simple way for you to sort through thousands upon thousands of stocks. You're going to notice right here, we do have just over 4,600 what I call stock opportunities right here in front of us. But the whole name of the game for all of us investors is to narrow that list down so we can actually find the suitable stocks for our portfolios. What does that look like? We're going to head over to this market cap drop down. Now, just based on the fact that we have so much going on, which I'm going to talk about in the next minute or so around the world here, what we want to make sure is that we're actually checking off mega and large caps and play it pretty safe, just given the level of uncertainty that we're dealing with. Now, we also have this very unique Smart Score feature here on TipRanks, our tool, that we can hit this drop down, hit 10, and then Smart Scores of 8 to 9. Now, what Smart Scores are on TipRanks, if you're not familiar, in really simplistic terms, is just going to narrow out this stock search for us with the stocks that are most likely, according to 8 key factors that we have at TipRanks, going to outperform the market over the longer period of time. So it would be, say, the next 8, 9, 10, 12 plus months out. And there we have it with the Smart Score stocks. We're already seeing this list dwindle down from over 4,000, now down to 363. But let's keep going here, get some nice price target upside action here with upside potential of over 20%, upside potential of 10 to 20%. We see this list continuing to dwindle down. Now, as I keep plugging away on some of these inputs, I'm actually going to talk directly to you about some of the issues that are going around the world that are going to impact a lot of our portfolios if it hasn't been already. Of course, in the Middle East, we have a lot of what I like to call Middle East mayhem going on. And whether it's the war with Israel and Hamas, or we have Iran is now a big focus with the Houthis, preventing a lot of logistics for these ships to go through the sea. Now, why is this all a big problem? Well, now we're talking about a massive, massive puzzle for logistics companies to piece together on new routes. But not only that, there's a time frame issue when it comes down to now being able to deliver on time. But on top of all of that, it comes down to oil, right? And oil is always the name of the game when it comes to the Middle East. So you're actually going to notice now what I'm going to put on screen for you is a stock that has been front and center for a lot of us investors, and that is Exxon Mobile. Now, it is the largest oil and gas company that is out there, at least that is publicly traded. And if we see here actually on the year, it's down 10.5% this time last year. So there's a couple peaks here that we do see with Exxon Mobile. Usually jumps up to about $120 per share at these peaks. I'm going to walk you through them. If you see it on the screen there, I'm going through them now. But what's interesting is we actually have just year to date here. This stock is, of course, down. And overall, again, on the year, we are down. So a lot of investors may be spooked away from a stock opportunity like this, but this is exactly when we want to put our eyes onto it. Now, we know that Exxon Mobil is a huge, huge player in the oil and gas game. Interestingly enough, they just pulled out actually of a climate policy deal in which they checked the other way, and I think they're going in a greener direction. I think their future remains pretty bright. So just to put that on your radar. But the reason why we're here is because this stock is down on the year. Now, we're all about the analysts over at TipRanks. Found this one to be interesting. Analyst upside coming in when it comes to Exxon Mobile, over 30% worth of upside for Exxon Mobile. Now, I'm going to jump back on the screen with you here and talk just briefly a little bit more about this oil saga that's going on now, the oil mayhem, why all of our eyes should be on it, or at least we should be aware of it as investors, everything that's going on in the Middle East. Because when it comes to oil, we are going to want oil demand to go up to see a stock play like Exxon Mobil go up. So it's not about investing into the stock when it's in the green. It's about investing into the stock when it's in the red. Oil demand, should it shoot up over the coming, say, 3-6 months to a year, we are honestly going to see a stock play like Exxon Mobil be the biggest beneficiary of oil price spikes. So not only that, I want to now go back into another stock here with you on TipRanks. I adjusted in that time some of the tools here and these inputs. And this brings us right over to a nice sweet play, if I may say, Starbucks. And Starbucks, as many of you know, is the largest coffee house chain in the world. Now, they just announced that they were jumping into India with about 1,000 locations to open up in India by year 2028. So we have some time going there. But Starbucks right now, from an investor standpoint, is down from this time last year by about 11.3%. Again, another golden opportunity here to get our hands on a company that's in the red, but very well may shoot right back up and be in green territory. Now, Starbucks, as we can see here, has peaked several times just in the last year at around $105 per share, $114 per share. So it is coming right on down. We are now in that low $90 range for a play like Starbucks. What I like to see here with Starbucks is actually increased hedge fund activity. If we click on that tab there, we're going to see hedge funds increased holdings by 285,000 shares as of last quarter. Head over to the analyst forecast. Now with Starbucks, we have another gem of a play here with a forecast coming up to $110.33. So just about right at that peak. Now, what is it going to take for Starbucks to actually turn around? Well, it's going to take some time. There's a fair amount of sentiment that's out there basically saying that Starbucks is down because of inflation, really. If it all boils down to inflation, consumers have been pulling back, and it's time to do away with those luxury purchases, if you will, right? Those mocha chocolate lattes you might go to Starbucks for, perhaps consumers are pulling back. Now, Starbucks has also been in the news for a lot of these union cases, and it hasn't necessarily been the best of spotlight attention for Starbucks. But again, the news coming into here as they head into India to build up their locations there. Very positive news, a bright future. Now, both of these plays, both Exxon Mobil and Starbucks, are actually dividend stocks as well. So just some icing on the cake for you as an investor to get invested into. I'd personally love to know your thoughts on Starbucks and Exxon Mobil. Definitely drop those comments down below to let me know and the TipRanks team. And until the next Tip Talk, investors, I will see you all there. Tip Talks, the only podcast where you can listen to the insights, discover the trends, and power up your investment portfolio.